In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text on Visme. Strike through is a handy feature when you want to emphasize that certain text should be ignored or considered as a previous version of your content, much like crossing something off a list. Let's dive right into the steps so you can effortlessly apply this effect in your future projects. First, you'll want to start by selecting the text box. Navigate to the text box that contains the text you're aiming to strike through. This is your starting point. Once you've located the appropriate text box, go ahead and click on it. This will activate the text editing mode, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments. Clicking on the text box also ensures that the text editing panel will appear, typically featured on the left side of your screen once you're in editing mode. Next, turn your attention to opening the Effects menu. Within the text editing panel, which becomes visible after double-clicking the text box, you'll need to locate and click on the Effects option. This menu holds the key to various text transformations and styles that can help enhance your visual storytelling. By selecting this, you're one step closer to achieving the strike-through effect you desire. Now, let's move to choosing the Strike option. In the Effects menu, you'll need to scroll through the different options until you find one labeled Strike. This is essentially the strike-through effect you're searching for. Once located, you'll need to enable or toggle it on. This simple action activates the strike-through feature, allowing your text to have a line drawn through it, symbolizing its crossed-out status. But don't stop there. You also have the opportunity to customize the strike to better fit your aesthetic preferences or highlight the text more effectively. After turning on the strike option, Visme often provides customization settings, such as the thickness of the strike line. Adjusting the thickness can create either a subtle or bold strike-through, depending on your needs. Additionally, you can change the color of the line, offering you a chance to match the strike-through with your design's color scheme or to make it stand out. Finally, have a look at the position or offset, which is essentially where the line crosses the text. Adjusting this can be beneficial if you're aiming for a more precise or stylistically aligned effect. Once you're happy with the customizations, all that's left is to apply these changes. Simply click outside the settings or panel area, and your new strike-through effect will take hold. It's that straightforward. Your text should now feature a line through it, indicating that it's been strike-through. And there you go, a neat and efficient way to enhance your content in Visme. Enjoy experimenting with this feature to create engaging and visually compelling designs.